Daniel, to be with you is to be entirely me.
You came into my life unexpectedly. No dramatics, no complications.
I'd like to welcome you all to the very historic Sneaton Castle.
With this ring, I give you my hand, my heart and my love.
Choose the man who makes the most perfect father.
The moment you came into our lives, you have always been a little spark of joy.
I didn't know I needed you until I met you, and now I can't imagine my life without you.
And the greatest privilege of my life was finding you and having us.